Hello, reviewers. Today we'll be looking at multiplication of sort. So let's see some questions on the multiplication of sort. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. I have number 1, root 18 times root 32. Now it is always advisable for you to simplify it, reduce it before you multiply. Then to reduce this, I have root 9 times 2, then multiply by. To reduce this, what will I have? I have 16 times 2. So what would this give me? Here I'm going to have 3 root 2 times here I have 4 root 2. Now this, what will I do? This number goes with this. That's 3 times 4, I have 12. And this root goes with this. Root 2 times root 2, that will give me root 4. And that will be 12. Root 4 is 2. 12 times 2, then I have 24 for the first one. So let's look at another one. This one says root, that's question 2, root 24 times root 72 times 3 root 5. Now let's simplify this first before you multiply together. To simplify 24, I'm going to have root 4 times 6. Then times, to simplify 72, I have 36 times 2, then times 3 root 5. So this, root 4 is what? 2 root 6, then times root 36, that's 6 root 2, times 3 root 5. Now let's multiply all the number beside the root. That's 2 times 6, 12, 12 times 3. 12 times 3 will give me what? 36. Now let's multiply all the roots. Root 6 times root 2, that's root 12. And root 12 times root 5, that is root 60. That's times root 60. I can still break this root 60 down. I have 36 times root 60. To break this 60 down, I will have 36 times what? Times root 4 times 15. Now, what is root 4? That is 2. Here I have 36 times 2 times root 15. So this will give me what? 72 root 15. Now, let's look at another one. Let's look at this one that says 4 root 3 all squared. What does this mean? So that will be 4 root 3 times another 4 root 3. So 4 times 4. So that will be 16. Then root 3 times root 3, that is root 9. Then here, I'm going to have 16 times root 9 is what? 3. 16 times 3, this will give me what? 48. Now let's look at one more here before we move away. So number 4. In this number 4, I have root 10 times 2 root 3 times root 12 times 3 root 8 times root 40 times root 32. Wow, this one look very lengthy. So let's see. Let's break it down one after the other. I cannot break this one down, and this one has been broken down into the list. So let's see. Here, I can multiply this root together. That's root 10 times root 3. So this will give me 2 root 30. The first one, the first 2. Now let's go to the next one. I can break this 12 down. Times here I will have 4 times 3. Times this 3 will come down. Times root what? I can break this 8 down. That will be 4 times 2. Times, I can break this 40 down to give me what? 4 times 10. And I can break 32 down to give me 16 times 2. So let's go. Here I have 2 root 30 times square root of 4, that's 2 root 3. Okay, times, here is 3 times square root of 4, that is 2 root 2 times this I have 2 root 10 times here I have square root of 16, 4 root 2. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Here we give me 2 root 30 times, okay, here is 2 root 3. 2 times 3 here, That is times 6 root 2. And here, what will I have? I have times 2 root 10 times 4 root 2. Okay, so now let's see. Let's multiply everything that we have outside. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 6, 24. 24 times 2, that is 48. Then 48 times 4. Here I have 48 times 4. 32, 2, 3, 16. That is 192. So here I have 192. Now let's now multiply what we have inside the root. And what would that give us? What we have inside the root is this. I have 30. 30 times 3. I have 90, right? 90 times 2. I have 180. Yes, 180 times 10. I have 1,800. And 1,800 times 2. I have 3,600. So here I have root 3,600. And here, this will give me 192 times square root of 3,600 will give me 60. So to multiply this, 192 times 60, I'm going to have 11520. That's the final answer. See you in the next class. Bye.